Today I'll be showing you how to make a really cool project called the Swirly Circle on Scratch. It's really fun to watch, and each time you click on the flag, the design will change. But first, before we start the project, let's click on this flag and go into pen. Now let's get started. So we're going to go into control this time and going to when I start as clone. Then we're going to go into pen and add set pen color 2. And we're going to change that to whatever color you want it. I want this color here, so I'm going to do that. Then we're going to do set pen size to 10. Then we need our pen down. Then we need repeat 180 times. Then we need our block saying move 3 steps. Then we need the move turn 2 steps. 2 degrees. Then we're going to let's add the change pen color by, but we're not going to change it by number. We're going to add a variable, so we're going to name it color change speed. Okay, so let's click on the check mark so we don't see that. And we're going to add color change speed into here. Next, we need to go into control and click and then drag delete this clone. So this is the code so far, but it won't work yet because we need the when flag click stuff. So we'll leave the code like this. Next, we're going to do when flag clicked, hide, and then wait 1 second and change that to 10. So this is the code now. Then we would need when flag clicked, we're going to create another variable called spinning speed. So we're going to create another variable called spinning speed. We're going to set spinning speed to 0. Now go to operators and add pick random 10 through 200. And we're going to do into color change, set color change speed to 2. We're going to go into pen and add erase all. Go to X 0. Go to Y 0. That block. Point in. Then we're gonna add a point in direction 90. Forever. Create a clone of myself. Turn 15 degrees and add spinning speed in there. This is the code. And then if I click on it the next time, the design changes. If I click on it again, this is one of my favorite designs. Like that, then there is that, then there is this one. They become full circles in the end. Some of them do. So all these designs are really cool. If you want to, you could create some thumbnail like this. Maybe I'm just gonna do this for a thumbnail right now. I'm just gonna make some random thumbnail here. And then change that to. Just gonna make some really quick thumbnail. Maybe that's all I'm gonna do. And then if we were to do this is just how to make a thumbnail. Usually for a project I would do a much better thumbnail, but yeah. So then I'm going to add when loudness greater than 10. I don't want that. And add timer greater than 10. Show and broadcast message 1. Then we need when flag clicked, go to X36, change it to 0 and 0, then hide forever, and going to sensing and add reset timer. So this is how I make thumbnails. So then if I go full screen mode here, so if I do that, so if I click the stop button, and so when the project usually starts, then you have the thumbnail. When you first look at it, it will look like this or something. But when you click on the flag, it will change like that. So if you want, make a thumbnail and make your project and you're done. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video.